it's Eric here at SK Hand Tools in Sycamore, Illinois. Today we're going to do a really quick little lap of the plant. I'm going to grab a GoPro and just walk it around the plant. I may slow down to see some tools coming off the line, maybe some finished products getting ready to be shipped off to you. I don't know exactly how it's going to be. I might not edit it at all, but let's see what happens. So buckle up, because here we go. If you want to see more of something that you saw in this video, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get some better shots of it. Thanks for watching.